She's just a girl and she's on fire. Had a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feel like a catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So dark she can burn your eyes. Better look the other way. You can try, but you never forget her name. She's on top of the world. Hottest of the hottest girls they know. We got both feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Oh, got our head in the clouds and we're not coming down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh, everybody says when she walks by, they can see the flame that's in her eyes. Wonder why she's dying another night. Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh, she's just a girl and she's on fire.
Wow, well done, Kadee. Anya, what do you think of that?
Wow, that's the first word I've got written down as wow. This is a complete new side to you. I mean, the first time you sang in front of people was your auditions and you sang Ocean Eyes with Billie Eilish and that was beautiful. And now you come up here and you're like, I'm going to show off my belt this time. And wow, you've got a belt. I really wasn't expecting that. We didn't really get a good look at it when you done Ocean Eyes. We had more of your soft, like more subtle vocals. But now you just come out here and you've smashed it. It was an incredible performance. You moved around more. That was incredible. However, your riffs do need a bit of work, but I think that was down to nerves because I know in the group chat you said you were incredibly nervous. But there's no need to be. That was incredible. Well done.
Kadee, what do you think?
I think like you've come out and you've really proved to everybody tonight that you've got like the full package. it was just such a step up from your audition, and I think like song choice played like a massive part in that for you tonight, because that was a really gutsy performance. It was a really gutsy vocal, and I do believe that like your technical side, I think that you've got a capability where you could just go nuts once you kind of like. Once you've got that belief behind you, I think that you will be able to just do all manner of things with your voice, because I really feel that you've got that sort of like agility there. You should be so proud of what you just achieved. That was absolutely fantastic. Well done.
And Kadee, in all honesty, when I saw this choice earlier on, I was thinking, is she ready for this yet? Because from your audition, first time stepping on stage in front of a crowd that you've never seen before, and you did what you did, I thought, maybe she's not ready for something she's gonna be forced into a position where she has to move a little bit and feel it a bit more. And I didn't know if you was ready for that yet. That's the God's honest truth. But my God, you absolutely shocked me tonight, because I wasn't expecting you to actually move as much as you did tonight. Considering you was like this, your face didn't even move when you auditioned. So to see that is a massive improvement, and you know, you've got to give credit when it's due. So you should be so proud of yourself. And I mean, Mum and I must be over there thinking, my God, my girl's a star. She's an absolute star. Like, I can't believe how much you come on. A little bit of constructive critique, because I like to give it to benefit people and stuff. Be careful on the belts, that when it's this sort of song especially, then notes are quite high on the chest. Just be careful that you don't push them too much, because they might come across a bit shouty, but try and feel it a bit more, if you know what I mean, instead of thinking, I got it at the note. Instead of thinking, I got it at the note, where it comes out before, just feel a bit more natural. Again, I can't ask for more at this stage anyway, for what you've done from your audition to this. You know, that's just something future preference, but my God, girl, that was a complete step up from your audition. Well done. Well done, baby.